Meaning of EST.
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 EST. EST stands for Eastern Standard Time, which is a time zone that is 5 hours behind Coordinated Universal Time, UTC-5. This time zone is primarily observed in North America, and it is used by numerous cities on the East Coast, such as New York, Toronto, and Miami. During Daylight Saving Time, Eastern Daylight Time, EDT, is used instead, which is 4 hours behind Coordinated Universal Time, UTC-4. In summary, EST is a time zone that is commonly used in North America and is 5 hours behind Coordinated Universal Time.